Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are just now arriving at my channel, I do budgeting and envelope stuffing. I am getting ready to actually start the envelope stuffing on February 2nd, but today I wanted to actually go through something that I've been working on recently. So I printed my new envelope slips for my expenses and also my savings and saving challenges and sinking funds. And I also made myself a budget planner. So it's going to help me basically figure out all my bills and how I'm going to divide my paycheck and everything. So that's going to be really cool. But I do want to give a shout out to 3 people so far. Their names are Tiffany Budgets, Save with Alicia, and Jamie's Realistic Life. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I subscribe to you guys too, and I can't wait to follow your journey as well. So, to my binders, I actually got this one in the mail yesterday, and I was really excited because now I have 2 binders, and I don't have to worry about the envelopes being, crammed really together. I'm gonna move that aside. So first I'm gonna actually show you guys my expense binder. So the first thing I have is rent, car payment, and that's actually my Mini Cooper, progressive. I have the food budget, gas, household. Then I have my pets, and I have 2 goldfish. Oops, can't do that with a candle. I have 2 goldfish, a snake, and 2 cats. I have my T-Mobile phone bill, the internet, which I split with my partner, and then I have credit cards. My Affirm, I actually have another one that I just got because I decided to get a treadmill, so I'll be adding that to the Affirm list. Self, that's my self loan that I have, and Adobe. And then I'm gonna actually show you guys my savings and saving challenges and sinking funds. In this one we have my personal savings, car tax, car maintenance, clothes, debt, and don't be confused with credit card. Debt is going to actually be my collections, and I'll go over a little bit more in detail with that with you guys. But long story short, I have probably about like $10,000 in debt with collections, but that's not including the credit cards, but I have something separate for credit cards. Our future home, because we really want a house of our own instead of renting. And then birthdays, Christmas, and then I have wedding, because we're going to get married probably during the summertime. Then I have the dollar challenge, which I made this one up myself. So basically, you color in each of the little grapes, and each one is worth $1. There's 22 of them on each stem. So if you add them all up, it comes to $132. And then this challenge I made up as well. I don't know if it's out there, but I did it in Canva. So basically, I have 4 envelopes for each dollar amount, and there's 20 envelopes altogether, and if you add them all up, it's $344. And then this one, I have a envelope for my receipts, and if you don't already, there's actually an app called Fetch, and you can actually scan your receipts and get points for them, and then if you have enough points, you can actually redeem them for gift cards. And I actually have my referral code in the description, and if you want, you can add me as a friend, and you get 2,000 points, and I also get 2,000 points to start you off. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Go ahead and click on that like button if you like this video today, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be posting regularly every week or every other week, so keep a lookout for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.